I went into that ceramic store, and I was looking around and stuff, and then the lady was like, there's more in our other store, like next door. And I'm like, oh, okay, I'll go look. And she said, like, the dog will take you. And the dog took me there. They like opened the door for us, and he led me to the other store. It was so cute. It was the cutest thing ever. I made it myself. Avocados here are very weirdly shaped, and I love them. I think they are maybe sweeter than what I'm used to, but they are nice anyways. I have yet to try an avocado smoothie or avocado coffee, I saw. We'll see. But they taste very nice. And I was using Bumble BFF because I use it everywhere I go. But there doesn't seem to be many people there. But I did match with one girl, and she told me to use Nomad Table. So now we're gonna go painting in like 2 hours. I hope it's fun and that I meet fun people. And I was browsing that app, and there's a lot going on, which is fun. I really want to go to Cham Island, but over there you need to rent a scooter, and I'm not that afraid of riding a scooter over there because it's like less crazy, not that many people, but I've never ridden a scooter before, so I've never drove a scooter before, so it's kind of scary. I would rather do it with somebody else teaching me, not alone. This bowl is really nice. Everything here is so fresh. I am definitely in my pray era. I've been having some crazy meditations, and I cannot wait to see what else happens for me. We'll see. It's very exciting. And now we're gonna go make new friends and paint and develop my creativity. Before I go out to my painting thing, I kind of want a coffee. So I have like a little bit less than an hour. So I'm gonna go down there and get salt coffee, which salt coffee and Vietnamese coconut coffee are the best. Also, I haven't tried egg coffee. I need to try that. And I got this scarf yesterday. Oh no, it's so silky that it moves around a lot. Let's go get coffee. Changed my mind with the hair because it's too hot outside, and the thing will fall off all the time. This is more comfy, and I can pull it up if I need to. Actually,
so hard, right?
yeah, but like actually I've never printed something like that.
Really?
Yeah, I was just like, I'm gonna go with it because I
So
usually,
talented.
thank you, I usually paint like,
Can I take a picture?
yeah, yeah. Your art will be here. Tomato. Where is there a big tomato? Disco cow. That's crazy. No. But it doesn't show up on the video. But in real life, there's a lot of thunder. Video.
First, we need to clean the toasting.
Okay.
Okay, ready for the amazing food? That's all. I'm shy.
Yum. Spicy. It's spicy. It smells very good. This was the doggy from the store. So cute. And such a cute store too. And this is what avocados look like. Quang noodle.
Quang. No, on YouTube. You need to show after and before.
Exactly. My first banh mi. I don't want to drop this. Wait, how do I show you? It's fried beef. Wow, this is great. I haven't been talking to anyone today or to my vlogs. I just needed I've seen some beautiful things, but I just needed to be in peace and quiet. Oh, you're sleeping. I need to be with myself in peace and in quiet, not talk to anyone. And I've been meditating a lot, And although I've let go of a lot of things of control and I've surrendered a lot, I think I still have a way to go. And I was struggling with some things. So I went into full contemplation mode and observation and not commenting on it. And I spent, I think, 2 hours just laying on my back on the beach, and I have never felt happier. Like, I was so present and there was nothing else to do, just lay there, and I felt the sand. It was cloudy, so it wasn't too hot. And basically I did that, and then I took the best nap that I've had in a very long time. And then I'm eating, and I walked on the beach too, like an hour at night. And that's it. And that's great.